Hi, I'm Joanna, and today Damon is going to be reviewing this washer countertop.
Hi, I'm Damon, and today I'm going to be reviewing this washer-dryer countertop. When unboxing the countertop, it comes with instructions on how to put the countertop together, a baggie of screws and feet, and a screwdriver. The countertop itself, 3 side pieces, 2 short, 1 long. It's easy to put together. All you have to do is screw in the side pieces and put the feet on the bottom of the countertop. Installing it on your washer or dryer is easy. You just place it on top and then organize as you please.
One of the best things about this washer and dryer topper is how much easier it makes laundry day. It gives you a sturdy flat surface to fold clothes right out of the dryer. No more struggling with piles on top of the machines or running back and forth. This smooth, durable wooden design holds up well to everyday use, and the raised edge keeps things from slipping off. Plus, it's a game changer for keeping the laundry area organized. Whether you're sorting, stacking, or just needing extra counter space, this topper makes it effortless.
So if you're looking for a washer and dryer countertop, I would highly recommend this one. It has the feet on the bottom, it's got 3 sides, and it's very nice and smooth and looks amazing. It also gives you enough space to have things organized and allows you a space to fold your clothes if you need one. But yeah, I actually really like this and I would highly recommend it.